Navigating slang, tips from native speakers. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving deep into the heart of English colloquial speech, slang. But, more specifically, how can you know if you're using it right? The answer: feedback from native speakers. Stay tuned as we delve into how you can get the most out of these interactions. Using slang correctly can make you sound more like a native. But, how do you know you're using it right? That's where feedback from native speakers comes into play. It's one thing to learn slang from books and videos, but real-world application and feedback is where the true magic happens. Native speakers intuitively understand slang nuances and can give you insights you won't find elsewhere. Now, you might wonder, how do I approach someone for feedback? Here are some tips. 1. Be open and honest. Start by explaining you're learning English and would appreciate their input on your slang usage. 2. Ask specific questions. Instead of a general, "Did I say that right?" Try, "Is that how you'd use this slang in this situation?" 3. Accept corrections graciously. Don't feel disheartened by corrections. Each one is a step towards mastery. Feedback can come in many forms, not just verbal corrections. 1. Facial expressions. If someone looks confused, you might need to reassess the slang you used. 2. Alternative phrases. If a native offers a different phrase, that's a clue to how they'd express that idea. 3. Body language. Look for nods of agreement or other cues that you're on the right track. To make the most of the feedback. 1. Keep a journal. Jot down the slang you use and any feedback you receive. This helps in tracking your progress. 2. Role play. Practice scenarios with a native friend, intentionally using slang, and then discuss the interaction. 3. Consistent practice. As with any skill, consistency is key. Regularly engage in conversations, seeking feedback and refining your usage. There you have it. Slang is a vibrant part of the English language, and with the invaluable feedback from native speakers, you can sound more authentic in your conversations. We hope this video has been enlightening and, as always, happy learning.